Hi Christian, where are we going today?
All right, so we're heading out west to Willa County. We're going to Grantsville.
Grantsville is a very beautiful area and it's growing really, really fast. In fact, you're really close to the Grantsville Reservoir. You're right off Mid-Valley Highway and Highway 112.
Yeah, it's a beautiful area. I mean, this is an area that's still continuing to build out. The owners actually built this house back in 2015, and they did a lot of custom features. And since then, within the last 2 years, they've basically upgraded everything.
Yeah, beautiful floor plan. Just amazing paint, beautiful remodel job that they've done.
Yeah, you can see they put tile in the entire main floor, which makes it easy to clean, and a nice kitchen with those dark cabinets. It looks beautiful.
This home is really well loved. You can see that for sure, just in the custom features that they put in the home.
Yeah, main floor laundry. When you go upstairs, they've got a huge bedroom that was actually on the original build plans. It was 2 bedrooms, but they've combined it into 1 big bedroom. So you have that one, you have another bedroom up there, plus the master.
It's always great to have more space in the bedrooms too.
Absolutely. I mean, everybody likes having, bigger space in their bedrooms, and there's lots of custom features. You can see the carpet has completely been updated as well.
100%. The carpet, the paint remodel job, baseboard, everything is really, really up to date.
Yeah, it's a gorgeous property, and the neighborhood, I mean, they've told me about how disappointed they are. Even though they're excited to move out of state, they are disappointed to leave the neighborhood and all their friends.
100%. In fact, the backyard is an awesome place to entertain people. There's just a lot of space in the porch and in the backyard as well.
Yes, absolutely. You can see it from this master. You look out your back window, you can see the backyard. You look out the front window, you can see your front yard. I love the way that they've done the master. And when you go downstairs, they actually just finished the basement this summer.
Yeah, I love it. A lot of beautiful lighting, a lot of space for entertaining in here, and to have company over as well.
Yes, they have a bedroom in the basement. They have this beautiful bathroom that they've been able to do, and it's ready to go.
Well, fantastic. This property is not going to last long on the market then.
It's definitely not. You've got a huge 20 by 20 deck on the backyard. You have a 12 by 16 shed. You have RV parking behind the fence, fully fenced backyard with landscaping and sprinklers. I mean, this house is going to sell fast.
I love it.